material specific. Take the heading, value contract, material specific. Value contract, material specific. Take the notes. It is an agreement between company and the customer. It is an agreement between company and the for supplying the goods of a particular value. And within a specific validity period. And within a specific validity period. So once again, it is an agreement between company and the customer for supplying the goods of a particular value and within a specific validity period. And this is specific to one material. Value contract material specific is specific to one material. Make it know. Value contract material specific is specific to one material. Now here, whatever the value you mentioned, that is for one material. So not like previous yesterday's example. For group of materials, you are giving value, but here it is for one material. Okay. Take the process, value contract, material specific. Document type. First tcode. What is the tcode? Tell me.
V2.
41.
V2.
VA 41.
Tcode VA41. What is the document type?
WK2. Sir.
WK2. WK2. Now here you will have material. What is our material? Waxy 2040 something. Here you will have value. Versus 90 lakhs, 1 crore. Like that. If you want to enter, if customer is entering into agreement for other material, you can mention here 20, one more material, what is the value like that. But here the value is for one material, specific material. Like that, Customer can enter into agreement for different materials. For that, you'll have value again. Okay. Next, release order, Waxy 2040 material. But here you'll have quantity, quantity 200. Then delivery, then invoice. Okay. Take this process, take this process and give me 2 minutes. I'll be back.
Can anyone tell me the what is value contact material specific?
This is
It's
basically
need
for
a definition.
only you have to specify to one material. Description is same as before. This one before that is like for group of material. This one is specific for one material.
So I didn't hear it properly. Can you please repeat?
Can I tell you in Telugu? Hello?
It is an agreement between company and the customer for supplying the goods for particular value and within a specific validity period. And it is a specific to one material. Previous one is for group of material. This one is for one specific material. Difference between before and it is a single specific for one material.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
छत पे चल रही छत पे चल बढ़िया हवा चल रही दरवाजा तो बंद कर दिए रिनवा गई कुंडी लगा दी थोड़ी देर में मोटर चला गया टंकी भरल नहीं थे आवाज आता ना रिकॉर्डिंग कर मशीन की होती है कपड़ा झाड़े खातिर उठेंगे नीचे बढ़िया फ्रेश हवा आ रहा था कल टंकी
Okay, do it in system.
Sir,
The
these are
process.
all called OTC process, sir.
No. OTC will discuss. What is OTC? Now we'll do it in system. VA41 value contract material specific. WK2 mention your sales organization. K100 distribution K1 division K1. Mention the customer. Mention the customer. PO number. Valid from valid to. It will take 1 year. Uh, material value 1 crore. Enter. You will get this message. No pricing procedure could be determined. Last class we discussed. Tell me what to do. We discussed in other system last class.
Sir, OV.
OVK. Sir, OVK
Unmuted.
for new
So if you do this already, you will not get this message. Okay. So to solve this error, go to OVKK. If you missed yesterday's class, you do like this. OVKK is the T code to solve this error. No pricing procedure could be determined. You will get this error for value contract general and value contract material specific. If you do it in value contract general, then you will not get this error while doing value contract material specific. So OVKK, new entries, mention your sales area, K100, K1, K1. Document pricing procedure, tell me.
Why?
Sir, why capital Y?
Why? Customer pricing procedure 1. Assign your pricing procedure and condition type PR00. Okay. Now do the process VA41. Enter and save it. Enter and save.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, it is it contact start after 0. What is this 01 and 08? Contact 1. Contact start.
In document type controls, we'll see this. 01 means current date. 01 means if you go to VOV8, we'll discuss from tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We'll see all the controls backend. WK2, if you go inside, you will have here automatic valid from valid to this one, contract profile, 1 year contract. So in this profile, they mention this 0108 like that, 1 year contract. So it will take exactly 1 year from today's date to next year, exactly that date like that. So according to that, it will take 01. 01 means you can see here today's date, and here right side 08 means you can see here contract start date plus contract validity date. It will calculate exactly 1 year like that.
System automatically determines.
Yeah, automatically it determines, especially for this. If you want, you can change it manually also. Okay, next. What is the next step? Release order.
Yes,
Release order, we know what is the T code.
V01.
PS01. OR. Sales area. Create with the reference. Click on this, create with the reference. Click on contract. Click on contract. Mention the contract. If you don't remember the contract number, you can press F4 in contract field. Mention your sales area and enter. WK2, this is the contract which we created. Mention the contract, click on copy. So today also it is slow server. Click on copy 2 times. Then mention the quantity 200, whatever the quantity customer wants. Mention the quantity in release order. Mention the quantity and mention the PO number. Mention the quantity. Mention the PO number. Mention the quantity. Mention the PO number. Double click on line item. Double click on line item. Go to conditions. Double click on line item. Go to conditions. Go to conditions. Click on update. Click on update. Double click on carry out new pricing B. Double click on carry out new pricing B. You will get the correct value here. 6 lakhs, 3,000 into 200 quantity, 6 lakhs. Save it. Delivery and invoice. Delivery and invoice. Okay. Go to picking. Go to picking. Enter storage location. Enter pick quantity.
So delivery quantity, pick quantity should be same, right?
Yeah, delivery quantity and pick quantity should be same. If you want to do partial delivery, then first change the delivery quantity. So I want to do delivery for 100 quantity. So first change the delivery quantity, then pick quantity, enter the same. If I change it to 100, pick quantity also 100. So both should be same. Click on post goods issue. Posting only possible in periods. You will get this error. What I said yesterday.
MMPV.
MMPV, sir.
So every month you will get this error. If you, whenever you get this error, go to the tcode MMPV, mention your company code and mention the date. Mention the date and execute. Mention today's date and execute. That's MMPV. Mention your company code, mention today's date and execute.
Sir, hi, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, we are getting errors, sir, after doing post goods issue, sir. So we're getting
What is
SQL 301, SQL 301 not found, and after that we are getting no free space. It's a runtime error, sir.
Yes, yes. No free space means contact this person. Is it online or offline?
So it's offline, sir.
Call to that person.
Okay, sir.
It is some your.
Actually, I called them. So now they are telling that we can't do anything. We have to reinstall the SAP again.
Okay. Where you install?
Babu Technologies only, sir.
Okay. So this time inform him that space issue should not come.
Yeah, sure, sir. Sure, sure. Yeah, thanks.
Inform that person that next time this issue should not come. They arrange
Yeah,
the
sure,
space,
sir.
enough space. Otherwise, they do. How much?
Data backup, sir. Because last
Sorry?
time when I no, he should do the data backup because last time he has eliminated my entire data. I also had the same problem, data problem, space problem. So I also went to the same Babu Technologies only. So what he has done is he has installed a new thing, and my entire data has gone up. It took around 15 days for me to again come back to the same standards. So the data backup we have to same first. Only that we need to have the data.
But I don't think you will get the data, whatever you practice. You can practice once again. It will help you. I don't think you will get the.
So he was saying that it can be retrieved if you go, you can retrieve the data. Because again, this person is going, so we have to retrieve the data. Otherwise, the entire thing will go.
No, that's okay. Even if something goes wrong with the data, you can practice. Nothing will happen. So that will be a revision for you.
Yeah, sure, sir.
As you said, don't think that 15 days has been wasted. So it is not waste actually. So it's a revision for you.
Mhm.
Even if something goes wrong, try to practice. Normally we don't practice from starting. So if something goes wrong, you can practice from starting. That will help you only. But don't think that it is a waste of time, something like that. But if you have that opportunity, try to get the data. But even if something goes wrong, if they install again, total new, try to practice that. So it will help you only. Okay. Yes.
MMPV is done, sir. For which error?
Posting only possible in periods.
Okay, sir.
Posting only possible in. Every month you will get this error when you post the stock or when you do PGI. You can go to MMPV, mention the year, mention the company code, mention the date, today's date, and execute like that.
Sir, in real time, F5 people they will take care, no, sir. This one.
This is especially MM.
Okay.
MM users will do this. Okay. Next, try to create delivery once again. Mention the pick quantity and do post goods issue. Then create invoice.
Sir, which one
Sir, my
the
system is
person will take care of it?
MMPB, the T code.
Okay.
Posting only possible that whenever that error comes, user will take care of it.
sir, in my system, PGI is asking lot of times, sir. Actually, it is getting saved in server, but it is asking lot of time to do PGI, sir. Why it is happening, I don't know. My server is offline, sir.
See, offline, this is a problem. You will have space issue and you will have this while updating into database due to space issue, the performance related issues. So it happens sometimes with the system, but the result purely is based on the space and performance issues. So first time it will not happen, second time it will not happen, like space issue only. See, you call to that person and ask him to show the deleted some files will be there, temp files. So you have to delete temp files so that the space issue will not come, performance issue will not come. Uh, temp files. You can ask that person to show how to delete temp files. So every day or every 2 days, try to delete the temp files so that space issue will not be there. Every 1 day, every 2 days, try to delete that. So go to run, they will tell you percentage temp, percentage. You will have some temp files here. Select all and delete. Select all.
Sir, some temp files are not going to delete, sir.
Some will not delete, that is okay. You can skip. Some will not delete like this. Okay. But remaining it will be deleted. And try to do that. Still, if you have issue, then contact that person.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, create invoice. Save it 6 lakhs invoice value. Save it like that. So this is a process. Value contract material specific. Next, scheduling agreement. Scheduling agreement. scheduling agreement. So what is this? It is an agreement. It is also agreement. It is an agreement between company and the customer for supplying the goods of a particular quantity and within a specific validity period and with predefined delivery dates. In the contract itself, you will have predefined delivery dates. But if you see quantity contract, there is no predefined delivery dates. Whenever customer wants, he will place order. We call release order. We create release order with reference to contract. Whenever this person wants quantity, some quantity, whenever he want to purchase some quantity, or whenever he want to receive some quantity, he has to place order. When he place order, then we create release order with reference to quantity contract. That is the process. But here you will have predefined delivery dates. Here you will have predefined delivery dates. So there is a difference. A process like this here. Megan, it is an agreement between company and the customer. It is an agreement between company and the customer for supplying the goods. It is an agreement between company and the customer for supplying the goods. It is an agreement between company and the customer for supplying the goods of a particular quantity for supplying the goods of a particular quantity and within a specific validity period. Within a specific validity period. Within a specific validity period. And with predefined delivery dates. 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 Predefined delivery dates.
Sir, is it mandatory predefined delivery date?
Yeah, that is the main difference in scheduling agreement.
Okay.
If you don't want predefined delivery dates, then we go for quantity contract process. We discussed yesterday quantity contract process. If you have the requirement of predefined delivery dates, then only we go for this particular process, scheduling agreement. Now process is like this. Scheduling agreement. Scheduling agreement. What is the T code? Tell me.
BA31, sir.
BA31.
BA31. What is the document type?
DS.
DS. So here, material, vaccine 2040, something, quantity, 5,000 quantity. And here you will have delivery dates. delivery dates. Suppose 15th May, they want 400 quantity on 10th June, they want 500 quantity on 20 July, they want 900 quantity, something like that. So they will enter the total quantity here as per the customer's requirement. Okay. Now after that, directly you have delivery. There is no release order here. Delivery. So if you are creating delivery on 15th May, as per the date, the quantity will be copied here. Vaccine 2040, as per 15th May, 400 quantity. Then create invoice. So here there is no release order. 400 quantity, like that. Take this. Now when you do delivery on 10th June, then it will copy 500 quantity. Take this process.
It's in the sense like the
Sorry.
ask like products on specific.
Voice is not clear.
He wants the like specific dates or like the specific dates depend on the depends on the customer house. Like if you want the products on specific dates.
Yes. Can you ask once again?
The specific dates is different. Like when the customer asks that he wants a
Yes, whatever the dates customer asks, specific dates, we mention here. As per the customer dates, we mention here in the agreement.
Thank
Sir, we'll define in calendar, we'll enter manually the date, sir.
We'll see that, how to enter that. We'll see in system, the process.
Okay.
Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it in system.
Sir, on June 10th, this second delivery automatically happens, sir.
When you go to tcode, VL10A or VL10C, if you mention 10th June, on that day this quantity will come. It will show this. Normally in real time, they use VL10A or VL10C to create deliveries. And whenever they mention the dates, this delivery will come.
Okay, thank you.
We'll see this. In system. Scheduling agreement. Tell me what is the T code?
VA31.
VA31. What is the document type here?
DS.
DS. Mention the customer. P1 number. Valid from. Valid to. Mention the material quantity 5,000. Enter. Now go to schedule lines. Double click on this, where to enter, how to enter the delivery dates. Double click on this line item. Go to schedule lines. Now here we enter the dates and quantity. First 15th May. Mention the order quantity 400. 15th May. Next. 10th June, as per our example. 10th June, how much quantity, order quantity?
500.
500. Next, 20 July, 900 quantity, something like that. So here we enter the dates as per the customer's requirement. Save it. Save it. Then create, I'll show you delivery VL10C. VL10C as per the date. If you mention the date 15th May here, you will get that particular scheduling agreement.
So, sir, this is a kind of due list report, this one.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Remove this and mention the date 15th. Remove this calculation rule and execute. It is not appear. Here there is some date issue. Okay. So here you will get scheduling agreement. Select this, click on background. And here you can see only 400 quantities here. You can see only 400 quantity here. Okay. So then click on dialog for delivery creation. Then select the line and click on documents. This is the delivery. Select the delivery, click on display document. You know this process, collective process. Go to change mode. Go to change mode. See here, you can see only 400 code. Now, if you mention the date as 10th June, then you will get the 500 quantity like that. So do picking and PGA. Enter pick quantity. Do PGA. Then create invoice. Save it. Now I'll show you normal. You can also do normal delivery VL01N. And if you mention the date as 10th June, and what is the number? What is the scheduling agreement number?
Sir, instead of VL10C, we can do this VL01, sir.
You can do that like normal also. But mention the date according to the dates which you mentioned. This is the number. Enter K103 500. Then do post goods issue. Like that. Then create invoice. Save it.
So could you please show VL10C again?
VL10C. If I mention third delivery, what is the delivery date? Somewhere.
27, sir.
27.
20 July 7, 2020.
So this is more than that. You will have issue here. Okay, I'll mention here 27. Only this date. No. More than this, there is some issue. No, we cannot do that. You can do manually, VL01 and here you can mention 27. You can do like this. This is possible. Okay. So this is a process, scheduling agreement. Next, last process. Tell me what is the last process? Consignment process. Take this. Consignment process. Consignment process. Consignment process. Dumping the stock at customer's place. Dumping the stock at customer's place. dumping the stock at customer's place, and keeping ownership with the company. Dumping the stock at customer's place, and keeping ownership with the company. Dumping the stock at customer's place and keeping ownership with the company. Dumping the stock at customer's place and keeping ownership with the company. And when our customer sell the goods to their customer, and when our customer sell the goods to their customer, then we transfer the ownership to our customer. Then we transfer the ownership to our customer. So this is consignment process once again. What is consignment process? Dumping the stock at customer's place and keeping ownership with the company. And when our customers sell the goods to their customer, then we transfer the ownership to our customer. Dumping the stock at customer's place and keeping ownership with the company. And when our customers sell the goods to their customers, then we transfer the ownership to our customer. We transfer the ownership to our customer. So this is the process. Now, why we dump the stock at customer's place and keeping ownership with the company? Means we don't charge to customers. Customer will not pay for that. Just we keep the stock at customer's place and ownership remains with the company. That means if something goes wrong with the goods, any accident, fire accident or something goes wrong, customer is not responsible. Company is responsible. If something goes wrong, then customer is not responsible. Company is responsible for that because ownership remains with the company.
Is it like C&F only, sir? Like
No, C&F is different. C&F is not our customer, remember.
Okay, sir.
C&F, what C&F will do, he will just store the goods and when order comes, he will deliver the goods. And why he is doing, he will get some commission.
Yes.
Why he is doing, C&F will get commission on every invoice. Don't consider C&F as a customer. C&F is not a customer. He is a, you can say agent. Yeah. Okay. Next. So when we do this process, whenever we are launching new products into market, generally customers will not show interest to purchase newly launched products because they'll have some fear because they invest money, they purchase the goods, and end of the day, if that is not sold, then customer will be in loss. So that doubt will be there with the customers. So they'll wait for some time. If the product is success, then they'll start purchasing this. But initially, they'll not show interest to purchase this. So what we do here, we will motivate the customers to purchase the newly launched product by this process, consignment process. We'll motivate the customers to purchase this newly launched products by this process, consignment process. So what we inform, don't purchase this, just keep the stock at your place and try to sell it. If you sell it, then only we will charge. Only for that. Only for that quantity we charge, which you sell to your customer. Then not only that, company will give some extra discount also. If you sell it to your customers, you will get extra discount also. So that is a benefit to customer here. The main benefit is no investment. The main benefit is what? No investment. No investment. So that is the main benefit. And extra benefit is the additional discount. Extra benefit is additional discount. So that is a benefit to customer. So what scenarios we do? Newly launched products and slow moving materials. Slow moving materials means customers will not purchase this frequently. Slow moving materials. Make a note. The below scenarios we do consignment process. The below scenarios we do consignment process. First one, newly launched products. Newly launched products. First one, newly launched products. Second one, slow moving materials. Second one, slow moving materials. Next line. The benefit to customer.
So when there is no
The
space
benefit to
in the storage location, then also this comes, sir.
If there is no space, we'll discuss that. Benefit to customer in consignment process. Benefit to customer in consignment process. Benefit to customer in consignment process. First one, no investment. First one, no investment. Second one, extra discounts. Extra discounts. First one is no investment. Second one, extra discounts. Okay. Next, see here. And whenever company is launching new product, they'll inform to customers. Means not always. Some products, if they feel that customers is not showing interest, then they'll inform to customers. They will inform to customers. They'll inform to all the customers, saying that we are going to do consignment process for this product. And customers will know what is consignment, what is the meaning of it. So if you are interested, you can take the goods on consignment basis. Some customers will show interest to purchase, to take the goods on consignment basis. Some customers will not show interest. Why customers will not show interest, even though there is a benefit, discounts, no investment and extra discounts, but still why customers will say no? Why some customers will say no for this? Tell me.
Due to space related issues.
Space issues. If customer doesn't have space, then customers will say no. Due to space issue, customers will say no for this process, consignment process. So, but some customers, they'll accept to take the goods on consignment basis. Then we go for this process, consignment process. Make a note. Whenever management decides, whenever management decides to send the goods on consignment basis. Whenever management decides to send the goods on consignment basis, then management will inform to all the customers. Then management will inform to all the customers. Some customers may accept, and some customers may not accept. Some customers may accept, some customers may not accept. A bracket due to space issue. Bracket due to space issue. Next, if customer accept, if customer accept, to take the goods on consignment basis, if customer accept to take the goods on consignment basis, if customer accept to take the goods on consignment basis, then we start consignment process. Then we start consignment process. So we know consignment process further classifies into how many types?
Four.
What is the first one?
Consignment issue.
First one, consignment fill up. Second one, consignment issue. Third one, consignment returns. Fourth one, consignment pickup. Make a note. Consignment process further classifies into 4 types. Consignment process further classifies into 4 types. First one, consignment fill up. Consignment process further classifies into 4 types. First one, consignment fill up. Second one, consignment issue. Consignment issue. Third one, consignment returns. Third one, consignment returns. Fourth one, consignment pickup. Fourth one, consignment pickup. Next, first one, consignment, fill up. Second one, consignment issue. Third one, consignment returns. Fourth one, consignment pickup, like that. So we'll see tomorrow the 4 steps in consignment. Tomorrow we'll continue this.
Okay, thank you, sir.